Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about tuple, right? In that video, we discussed some basic concept and I have given an assignment. The assignment is loop through tuple elements using while loop. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above icon. Please check it out. So today's agenda is answer to the assignment question and defining and creating a set and some methods. In the previous video, I used for loop to loop through the tuple elements. Now we are going to see how to use while loop to loop through the tuple elements. And in previous videos, we discussed there are four data types to store multiple values. Among the four, we discussed about list and tuple. Now sets. First, I have to answer the question, right? So I open my Sublime, and this is my tuple T1. Okay, to loop through the elements, I use while loop here. First, I take a variable I that is equal to 0, right? While I less than boolean of T1 and semicolon. Okay, print T1 square brackets I. Here I use index number. I already discussed about len method and how to access the tuple elements using index numbers in the previous videos. And I am going to increment the I value. I plus is equal to 1. Okay. We run this. See, my tuple elements are printed here. Basha, Ram, Roz and Stacy. Okay. Now I is equal to 0 and the length of tuple T1 is 4. Value is 0. 0 less than 4, which is 2. That's why I enter into the loop and print T1 of I value is 0, T1 of 0, which is equal to Basha. That's why I print Basha first. And here it is going to increment. I plus is equal to 1. This is increment operation, which is equal to I is equal to I plus 1, right? Let increment the value. Now I value become 1 and again going to check the condition. 1 less than len of T1, that is 4. 1 less than 4, it's 2. 1 is less than 4, right? That's why again it going to enter into the while loop. Then it print T1 of I is 1. Now I is 1, that T1 of 1 that is equal to Ram. That's why it print Ram. And again going to increment the I value. I is equal to I plus 1 and 1 became 2 now. And again go to check the condition and print the next value and again go to and increment the I value and again go to check the condition. Like this will happen until the condition is false. When I value became 4 less than 4, it became false here. Then it terminates the loop. This is solution to the assignment problem. Now I'll discuss set. First, let me define set. Set is an unordered collection data type that is iterable, mutable and has no duplicate elements. A set is created by placing all the elements inside curly braces separated by comma or by using the built-in set function. Let me explain this with an example. This is my set S1 and in curly braces I'm giving values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, print my S1 set. Print S1. And we run this. See, my set is printed. And we can create set by using this set function. It shows that also set and in the brackets you have to give values 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this, see, my set is printed. This is the two methods to create the set. Set can have any number of elements and the elements may be different types like integers and float or strings or tuples, any type like this. This is my set S1 having elements 1 and 2.4 and hello and a tuple 1, 2, 3. This 1 is integer, 2.4 is a float, and hello is a string, and this is a tuple 1, 2, 3. If I print my set as 1, Control B, see my set is printed. But a set cannot have mutable elements like list, set, dictionary. Suppose if I replace this tuple with a list, this will throw an error because list is a mutable, right? Show this. See, unhashable type list, type error, it throw type error. We cannot access elements in the set by referring to the index number. Next, methods. Before going to the methods, I have a small request for you friends. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Now methods. First, methods to add elements to the set. There are two methods. First one add method and second one update method. First, add method. Add method is used to add one element to the set. See the syntax? Set dot add, and in the round brackets we have to give element. Add method take only one parameter, that is element we want to add. Say example, this is my sublime. My set S1 have elements like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and I want to add another number 60 to my set. So S1 dot add, and here I give 60. Now I put my set S1, I run this, then my set is printed. But there's difference, right? Print 40, 10, 50, 20, 60, 30. But I already told you set is an ordered data type. That's why it print like this. Next, update method. Update method is used to add more than one element to the set. See the syntax, set dot update. In the round brackets we have to give square brackets, and in the square brackets we have to specify what element to add. Let me explain with example. Suppose my set S1 have elements like, and I want to add 7, 8, 9 into my set S1. So I will add that by using update method S1 dot update, and in square brackets I will specify 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll print my S1, print S1. Run this. See, my set is updated with the elements 7, 8, 9, 10. This is update method. Next, methods to delete element from the set. There are four methods. There are remove method, discard method, pop method and clear method. Remove method and discard method both are used to delete one element at a time. But the only difference is if you give an element to delete which is not in the set to the remove method will return key error, whereas discard method don't give any error. See the example. Have values like, and I want to remove C. So by using this remove method S1 dot remove, and I give here print my S1, and this, the set is unordered. C is removed from the set. If I replace remove with discard, see nothing has changed. The E is removed. But if I give an element which is not in the set, suppose F, and there, see, a discard method don't give any error. It simply put all elements in the set. But if I give remove method here, remove method so here, this is the only difference between discard method and remove method. Next, pop method. This pop method remove last elements in the set, but the drawback is sets are unordered. So when using this pop method, you will not know which element that's get removed. See the syntax, set dot pop. See the example. This is my set S1. and I use s1 dot pop and if I print my set s1, see it remove B. We don't know which element is going to remove. This is the drawback of this pop method. Next, clear method. Clear method empties the entire set. So syntax set dot clear. So example, for the same example I use clear here. I replace pop with clear. I print s1. The empty set is printed. This is clear method. Here we want to discuss del keyword. The del keyword delayed the entire set completely. See here, this is my set s1, and if I use del keyword here, del s1, now if I print my set s1, it will throw an error. See here, see, name s1 is not defined because the del keyword delayed the set completely. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.